Hey, it's Frank here with 4D Honeybee, and I just got a quick little pro tip for you on the smoker. And so my situation is this: when back at my old property where I used to beekeep, where I had the apiary, I had a river not 20 yards in front of the hive. So when I'd finish up my work with the bees for the day, I'd just take the smoker, which you see here, still smoking, and I'd walk it over to that river and just dump the embers into the river and cool down the smoker and bring it home. But I don't have that here. There is plenty of water around here, but I don't have access to it. So my dilemma is, I've done my inspection, still got a lot of fuel in that smoker, and what do? I don't want to leave it here. I can't just throw it in my car or in my truck because it's piping hot. It'll melt whatever it comes in contact with. So this is the little plan that I've developed here. Check it out. So got a couple of these cinder blocks, which is very common in beekeeping. Most of us have them around. And what I did was I turned one cinder block up so that it sits upright, as you see. And what it's caused is a nice little cavity here. I'm going to call this a cement ashtray, where I can dump the hot embers and not worry about lighting anything on fire. So all I'm going to do as I dump them, though, is I'm just going to keep my hive tool there because the little stand that's at the bottom will want to come out too, and I don't want to have to fish that out. Okay, how are we doing? Okay, pretty much got everything out. Have a look. One more little piece of cardboard. Come on out, you. There's a piece of cardboard that's actually stuck on the stand. So they're either both going to come out or neither's going to come out. There it is. Alright. So that gets the stuff out of the smoker. You can still see it's hot. The risks of this going anywhere, doing any damage, is, I think, zero, right? Even with a bit of wind. But if you wanted to, you could bring a bit of water and pour it in there. Now this smoker is ready to go back in the truck here. But I brought this little galvanized pail because if I put the smoker down on the bed now, it's going to melt it as well. So flip the lid up, put this in here, and you know, it's all good. Yeah, it's nothing too major. It's not like rocket science or anything, but it is a dilemma that I had to deal with. And I have heard of those smokers starting fires, right? Starting grass fires when people leave them or people drop them, or even just setting them down while they're doing other work. So I'm here to help you with your smoker safety. And don't smoke, it's bad for you. Just smoke the bees. And that's it. Hope this helps. From 4D Honeybee.